Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and videos like this. Today we are continuing the decluttering series and we are tackling the kids' bathroom today. There is zero storage in here. There's not one drawer, so I'm planning on utilizing the medicine cabinet a little bit more with some of the things that are under there. And the first thing I did was I hot glued these clothespins up here, and I'm going to attach some ribbon, and then those are going to be to organize Charlotte and Juliet's bows. And now I'm just going to start emptying everything out from underneath the sink and see if I can kind of rearrange that and organize this a little better. So now I'm just going to go through everything and get rid of the things that we don't use or any kind of like expired medicine or products or anything like that. So now I'm just going through her hairbin thing that was in her bedroom and taking out all her little hair ties so that I can keep those in the bathroom because that's where I do her hair now. And I can't be wasting time going back and forth because in the mornings I need all the time I can get. So this is going to be a lot more functional having it all in the bathroom under the sink. So here's some extra toilet paper, feminine products, and then under here I have some Airborne Theraflu. These are flushable wipes, which are a lifesaver if you're potty training. And then this stuff back here, that's stuff that my mom leaves over here, and I just like to keep it down there for her when she's here. And this is now Charlotte's little basket, and her hairbrush, some hair ties, her little sprays and stuff that I like to put in her hair. And then back is some lotions and hairspray. And then there I'll put the plunger and stuff back, but that's it. Even though it's not Pinterest worthy, it is so much more functional, and the medicine cabinet is also a lot more functional. So now we're moving on to dinner, and this is one of the quickest, easiest weeknight dinners you can make, and it's just pasta and meatballs. And then so we're going to start by boiling the water, and then I add frozen meatballs into hot sauce, and you can use any kind of pasta sauce that you want. If you're feeling froggy, you can make your own. Mine is just a good quality kind that I got from the store. And then we're going to add our pasta in once the water is boiling. My mother and father-in-law were over for dinner this night, and my mother-in-law shared with me this quick little Italian mama trick. If you add oil to your water, the pasta water will never boil over. How awesome is that? So now we're just going to drain the pasta, and you always want to keep some of the pasta water. I like to put some over it. It just acts as like a binder before you put anything else on it. And then after I do that, I put a little bit of Parmesan just because it melts into the pasta, and I like to do that before I add the sauce. So now it's time to add the meatballs and sauce, and I like to just spoon it on at first, and then I'll just pour the rest on, toss it all together, and then put a little bit more Parmesan on top. And how easy is that? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next time.